All right, is someone in your family gluten-free? If so, then you know how hard it is to find foods that taste good, especially baked goods like cookies.
Yeah, Maureen Sherman is the co-president of Wickedly Wholesome, which offers gluten-free cookies. And today she's brought her kids. We've got Andrew and Catherine to show their Valentine cookies, which the whole family can decorate, eat, and enjoy. Good to have you guys here.
Great to see you. How old are you guys? How old are you?
I'm 12.
You're 12, and how old are you, hun?
7.
You're 7 and 12. All right.
I just need to see
Valentine's Day is a fun time, and a lot of people want a Valentine's Day cookie, especially all dressed up with a lot of frosting.
Exactly. Yes, I think frosting is the best part. And so we've made gluten-free regular cookies and sugar cookies and chocolate. And we have a special box for families this year. If they want to decorate, in fact, why don't you guys start decorating? We will provide I would say naked cookies. There's a box over there. We would provide the sanding sugar, which has all natural ingredients in it.
The sanding sugar right here.
Yep.
And then we provide actually the starter kit, like the dry ingredients for the frosting.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Oh, that's really smart.
And all gluten-free, right?
100% gluten-free.
Even the decorating stuff.
Exactly. Oh, everything. Because if someone eats gluten and they didn't mean to, and it can really be a disaster. So we make sure everything's guaranteed gluten-free.
For sure. Okay, should we taste a cookie to make sure that they taste good?
Oh, I think you should.
Okay.
Yes. I think it's an excellent idea.
Taste good, even though they're gluten-free.
Yeah, so delicious you would never know they're gluten-free. Why don't you try one of the Valentine's Day ones?
Oh, okay, fantastic.
Yeah.
What kind of cookies do you have here?
Okay, so we have special M&M ones that just have Valentine's Day M&Ms in them.
Oh, the pink and red and white.
Yes.
Oh, that's fun.
Look at that.
I made them this one.
It's nice. And then we also, of course, have lots of chocolate ones. Turtle, double chocolate chip, oatmeal with dark chocolate and dried cherries in them. So lots of options.
So here's the deal.
Delish.
Gluten-free is something that's important to a lot of people. Some have celiac, some just have a gluten intolerance, some just want to try and be healthier.
Yes.
So what is the difference in a gluten-free cookie? What kind of flour, what do you use to make them gluten-free and taste so good? Because these are delicious.
Thank you. Thank you. We use a combination because if you use just one kind of flour, you usually have like a really weird limp cookie. Okay. So we use a combination of brown rice flour, white rice flour.
How good that looks, you guys. Keep going.
Almond flour, exactly.
We got a whole staff that wants cookies.
Yes.
He made this perfectly. I'm so impressed. Check that out.
Look at, you got free workers at home.
Oh my gosh.
That is fantastic.
You guys, you should be being paid for this.
Phenomenal.
Don't let your mom put you to work at home without getting money in your savings account.
No, we do get paid.
You better.
They do, exactly, yes. No, my kids, they help, Andrew and Catherine help with everything. They help come up with the flavors. Andrew came up with the turtle. He said, Mom, you have to have the turtle, and it's our best-selling cookie.
Yeah.
Do you like the cookies? Do you like the way they taste?
Yeah, definitely.
You do?
Yeah.
I mean, for a kid's approval to say a gluten-free cookie is good, because it's hard to find something that tastes good with gluten-free, right?
Exactly, exactly. And that's why we so want people to, because no family is 100% gluten-free. There's people who, can eat gluten and who can't, and we want food that just is simple for a mom or dad to put out and say, you're all going to love this.
I love that. I love that you're doing something special for Valentine's Day. The frosting, the dry ingredients for the frosting come in the family box, which we just showed you. It also has the colored sugar, which only has natural dyes in it. And then the naked cookies, as you said, and it's a sugar cookie as well as chocolate. Now here we're looking at online, live. Tell us what people will find, because all of your cookies can be purchased online and you ship anywhere in the world.
Anywhere.
So if you love someone who's gluten-free, you can send great cookies, delicious cookies to them anywhere.
Exactly.
Tell us about it.
Well, so basically people can pick 2 different Valentine's Day specials. They can get this family box that you can see right there. Everything comes ready to make and to decorate. Also, if you're feeling romantic and you want to send a box to someone, you can pick any cookie you want, any types of cookies, whatever your Valentine would love, and send that to them as well.
So those types are the M&M, the special pink, red, white.
Exactly.
M&M cookies. Then you've got the sugar cookies, which we already mentioned, and then there's a cookie that has cherries in it.
Yep. Dark chocolate and dried cherries, as well as any of our butterscotch oatmeal. That's our second bestseller right now.
That sounds good. I don't know if I've ever had a butterscotch oatmeal.
It's really good.
Yeah,
it's really good.
Because you have 10 different kinds of cookies.
We do now. Yes, we only had 7 a month ago, but we're up to 10 now. So
that's great. And you can make a box, and there's no minimum. A box is a dozen, but you can pick any variety of cookies you want.
Any variety.
I think that's so great.
Catherine, what's your favorite flavor? Do you have a favorite cookie?
M&M, definitely.
M&M with the pink ones, or does it matter which kind of M&M?
No, it doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter. You don't discriminate on your M&Ms. How about for you, bud?
I think my favorite used to be M&M, but now with the sugar cookies, I think they're my favorite.
Now it's the sugar cookies?
Yeah.
You're going there?
The frosted
Good
ones?
for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
This
get
frosting
that.
is delicious, too.
Would you guys like to try?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. thank
Actually,
you.
I
I have one that has frosting. Oh,
no,
yeah.
looks like a frosted one.
Making it. Oh, yeah. I don't think I can do it as well as you, but I'm going to try
It's
here.
all about having fun, not making it
Okay.
perfect.
All
Do
right.
the bags come with it?
They do.
Oh, so you got the puffer
And
bag?
we put those little zip ties on the top so that there's less likely for it to, come exploding out the top.
Yeah.
You like that one. Of course, then you get to eat it if it explodes out the top.
Okay.
don't
I
you?
like that,
I'm going to put a little sugar on mine. All right. now-
Sugar, sugar.
Look
oh,
at,
yeah.
Look at that with a
Hold yours up,
tea.
Tiff.
I did a tea.
Very
I love that.
Yeah.
Okay, so here's what people need to do. First, we want to tell you about a great offer that you have right now for Morning Blend viewers. This is a great way to show love to your Valentine who's gluten-free. Anybody all around the world who's gluten-free, you can enter this code. It's MBV for Morning Blend viewer, MBV.
Or Morning Blend Valentine.
Yeah,
Exactly.
that too. For 10% off. It's good through February 13th. You can go to wickedlywholesome.com to find out more. 10 different kinds of cookies. Build your box and order some great cookies today. Wonderful to meet
Here you guys, hold your bags. Put a little,
made a
don't be
cake.
afraid. Put a
There you
little
go.
in your mouth.
There you go. Do it. Do
All
it.
right.
Put it in your mouth.
Go ahead.
Oh my
Yeah,
gosh,
we
you
all
It
guys.
really goes when you're making cookies.
They don't usually get to do this in the morning.
Sorry, Mom.
There we go.
Any
Encourage
child that
you to
ends up
have
with me
it.
has way too much sugar.
I made a K. I made a K.
They're going to want to come back now. You understand that, right?
There you go, you
Okay,
guys.
for Catherine. Nice job, you guys.
Wonderful to see you. Thank you
Yeah,
so
you
much.
too.
We appreciate it.
$20 an hour. That's what you should be getting paid.
Yeah, there you go. All right.